Are you frustrated with abandoned carts and slow sales? Struggling to turn your website visitors into actual buyers? Let's dive into 6 strategies that can help you convert more visitors into loyal customers. Use clear, high-quality images to show your product from every angle. Write descriptions that focus on benefits. Instead of just 100% cotton, say, soft, eco-friendly cotton that feels great. Use what you know about your customers, like past purchases or browsing history, to suggest items they'll love. Send personalized emails or show them custom recommendations. When customers feel like the site knows them, they're more likely to buy. To reassure buyers, display security icons, SSL certificates, and money-back guarantees. Offer easy returns to make your site feel safe. It will help reduce buyer hesitation and encourage more sales. Offer discounts or free shipping to push hesitant customers over the edge. Use exit intent pop-ups to show a special offer when someone's about to leave. Create urgency with time-sensitive offers to boost conversions. Add clear CTAs like add to cart to make shopping easy for your customers. A/B testing helps you find what works best for your audience. Test everything: product page designs, button colors, even headlines. When you enhance the shopping experience, people buy more. Show products based on what they've purchased or browsed before. Send emails that actually matter to them, like reminders about items they left in their carts. Ready to boost your sales? Like, share, and subscribe for more tips on increasing your e-commerce business.